Let's see how we can use the today and now functions in Google Sheets. We have the today and now functions, Google Sheet, open, and it has the data template we require. In the A1 cell, we have today, date, so in the B1 cell, we want today's date. In the A2 cell, we have now, date time. In the B2 cell, we want the date and the time, for now. To get today's date, we will use the today function. Which gives the current date as a date value. It does not take any argument. An example is shown, so we will just write equal to today, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. We get the date as 23rd of April 2025. Now to get the date and time for now, we'll use the now function, which gives the current date and time as a date value. It does not take any argument. An example is shown, so we will write equal to now, open parenthesis, and close parenthesis. We get today's date, that is, 23rd April 2025, and time, 15 hours, 16 minutes, and 4 seconds. With this, we have successfully learned how to use the today function and the now function in Google Sheets. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video was useful.